Morning. Hope everyone had a great weekend. I just want to quickly share a couple of updates about Tasker and what we're working on at the moment. Decent progress last week, lots of conversations, busy week, but I suppose one of the things that I've been looking at improving is the whole updating of project timelines. So today we have a project here, new product launch plan. So it's due to complete by the 9th of February. So I'm going to try and update that. To start on the 1st of March on 1st. So what I'm hoping you'll see now in a second is, okay, so it's currently due to complete 9th of Feb and we're going to make it start on the 1st of March. So let's see what happens. It's going to take a look. I'm going to re-baseline the project. So it's now saying if we start on the 1st of March, it will finish by May the 4th. All of the tasks will move out. So we're going to accept that change, and then it should bring us to the roadmap, and we can see there that it's moved out a good bit, so it's out to the right. Cool. So the other thing that we might want to do is move a project back. So we'll take the same project and move it back. So we've got new product launch date plan again to complete by, let's say, 1st of Jan 26. Complete by, okay, cool. So let's see what happens. And it's going to do another impact assessment and it doesn't like that. Okay, so there's a good bug. So let's just try maybe a different project just in case there's a little gremlin there somewhere. 1st of January, maybe it's the word is the, let's see how it goes. Okay, right, so it's identified the project, so using startup launch plan at the moment. So startup launch plan is currently scheduled to finish by the March the 25th, and we're going to move it to end of Jan. So what does that mean? That means all of our tasks have to move back. So we're going from March back to December. There's a helpful selector here as well. So I've said to finish by 1st of Jan. So let's see if I can make it finish by 17th of December. Okay, so it's telling me I can't make that change because I basically put one of the tasks into the past. So it's basically assuming that the effort and estimate and the dependencies aren't changing, but that, like, if you're shuffling it forward and back, what does that do? So we're going to move back to a date like the 31st, and it's already updated. It's identified that it can do that based on the current timeline. So let's make that change. Brings me back into the roadmap, and you can see there that all the dates are in the future and are scheduled to complete by the deadline. So that may not seem like much work, but it was a little bit more finicky, and there was a lot of bugs that I had to record this video about 3 times to get it to work. And the other thing I just wanted to quickly show you is it's a bit of a brain dump at the moment, but I'm just I've had a lot of feedback from people, so I just want to call a couple of things out that I'm going to be working on over the next little while. So one of the things is a kind of a pre-project initiation discussion or more interaction about like assumptions, dependencies, estimates before you kick off your project. So that's something I've made a note of. I want to try and deliver SSO because I want you guys to be able to use this product and give me more feedback rather than just like listen to me in a video. So that's a challenge I've given myself for this week. Let's see how that goes. More update to follow. And then also read, so like asking questions about status, about like, you know, what's involved in the project, so that kind of read only aspect. And then the other one that's come up a couple of times is more context. So if you've got a document or you've got potentially an audio file or potentially like down the line we'll look at integrations with other applications, that might be interesting to do as well. So look, lots of work to do, but I just wanted to give you a little bit of a sneak peek, and hope you have a good week. Keep an eye on LinkedIn.